Since childhood, you were taught to be realistic, to be satisfied, don't want too much. But what if I told you that mindset is exactly why you are not where you want to be? So, hello guys, welcome back to our magical life. Today, let us see chapter number 5, Increasing Life. Look at the nature. A seed never says, I think I will stay small. It grows, it expands, it multiplies. Because life has one rule. It must increase, otherwise it dies. And that same force is inside you as well. That desire you feel for more money, for more success, for more freedom. That's not greed. That's life trying to express itself through you. The problem is you have been taught to suppress all these. And when you ignore that desire, you feel it. You feel the frustration, the lack of motivation, the feeling that something is missing, isn't it? Because deep down, you know you are meant for more. Here is the truth. There is no shortage of money, no shortage of success. The universe doesn't run on scarcity. It runs on creation. It is constantly expanding, creating, growing. So why are you thinking small in an unlimited reality? You were taught to compete, to fight for limited opportunities. But the truth is that you don't need to take anything from anyone. You are not here to compete. You are here to create things according to your passion, according to your desire. Everything begins with a thought. There is a thinking substance that responds to your vision. When you hold on a clear idea and believe in it, reality begins to shape around it. Wealth isn't just about luxury. It's about living the life fully, experiencing the life to the fullest, growing your mind, expressing your purpose, and helping others. Real success is not extreme. It is balanced expansion. You are not here to struggle your whole life. You are here to grow, expand, thrive. The universe is not against you. It is waiting for you to think bigger. Now, let us see the powerful bullet point summary of this lesson. Number 1. Core belief shift. Let go of the idea that God or the universe wants you to be poor. Poverty is not a divine plan itself. You have to let go of these limiting beliefs within you. Number 2, nature of the universe. There is an intelligent, a living substance in everything. What author refers here is the life force energy, the consciousness part within you. This substance is alive, conscious, and present within you. Number 3, law of life. All life has to build in urge to expand and increase. Life naturally grows, multiplies, becomes more. If life stops growing, it stops existing itself. Here, author is also giving some examples from the nature. A seed grows and produces many more seeds. Life multiplies itself simply by living and expressing itself. Number 4, human growth is unlimited. Thoughts leads to more thoughts means our mind keeps expanding. Knowledge leads to more learning, means our intelligence keeps growing. Skills create desires for more skills, means our potential keeps expanding. You are naturally driven to know more, do more, and be more. Number 5, why wealth is necessary. To grow and express yourself fully, you need resources and tools, isn't it? You can only learn by using things. Do by means you can only do by having access to things. Therefore, wealth is necessary for full living. Number 6, author is also explaining our desire as unexpressed potential seeking expression. Wanting more money is like life trying to grow through you. Desire is not a weakness, it is the power trying to manifest through you. So our desire is not a weakness, it's the power within us trying to manifest through you. Number 7, same force drives everything. The force that makes plants grow, life expands, the universe creates. The same force makes you want more. Number 8, universe want you to have more. The living substance, the life force energy, the consciousness part within you seeks greater expression through you. It wants you to have more resources, more opportunities, more life experiences. Number 9, spiritual perspective on wealth. It's the God's desire for you to become rich. Why? Because so that the life force energy can express itself more fully through you, so that you can live more, do more, and become more. Number 10, the universe supports you. The universe wants you to have everything you desire. Nature is friendly and supportive of your goals. You must fully believe this for it to work. Number 11, align your purpose. Your desires must align with the greater purpose of life, means growth of all beings. True success comes when your goal enhance life, do not harm the life. Number 12, what real life means is that full expression of all parts of you, which includes your physical part, mental part, and the spiritual part. Living fully means balance, not extreme. So all these three aspects, such as physical, mental, and spiritual growth, has to be balanced. Number 13, we should avoid one-side living. Don't chase wealth only for the physical means, which means that only for the physical aspects. Don't chase wealth only for knowledge or fame, means the mental aspects, or for sacrifice or helping others only, means it is the spiritual acts. It has to be balanced. Any extreme will lead to incomplete and unsatisfying life. So all these three aspects, like physical, mental, and spiritual aspects, has to be balanced. Number 14, true purpose of wealth. Wealth allows you to enjoy your life, means you can travel, you can enjoy the beauty of the life, you can have different experiences in life. You can grow mentally, means learning. You can learn more when you have wealth. You can go for some other education. You can join some courses, new courses, and you can develop your creativity. Also, you can love and help others. So wealth is equal to, it is the tool for full self-expression. Number 15, you should avoid extremes such as extreme selfishness or extreme self-sacrifice. Both are imbalanced and incorrect. Number 16, redefining the spiritual belief. You are not meant to suffer or sacrifice yourself to please God. This has to be understood clearly. True purpose is becoming your best self. You help others most by growing yourself first. Number 17, why getting rich is important. Becoming rich helps you to maximize your potential and to contribute more to others. So it is right and praiseworthy to pursue wealth. Number 18, wealth must benefit all. The universal force works for increase of life for everyone. True wealth creation does not harm or take from others. Number 18, reject competition thinking. Understand that you are not here to compete to anyone. You are here to create new value for yourself. You don't need to take from others. You don't need to cheat or exploit others, or you don't need to undervalue people. Number 20, creator mindset. You can have anything others have without taking it from them. When you create wealth correctly, you grow, and others also gain from that. Number 21, truth about competitive wealth. Understand that wealth gained through competition is unstable. It is temporary and it feels unsatisfying. True wealth comes from creation, not from competition. Number 22, abundance mindset. Never believe that resources are limited. Don't fear that others take opportunities or market being controlled, etc., etc. Scarcity thinking kills your creative power. Number 23, infinite supply principle. Wealth is limitless and constantly being created. Even if resources doesn't exist yet, they can be created. So focus on the invisible abundance, not the visible scarcity. Number 24, eliminate fear and comparison. Don't worry about missing the opportunities or others getting ahead. What you desire will be created for you. Number 25, power of thought and creation. Everything comes from a thinking substance, as we learned in the previous chapter. Thought will lead to, it will impress the substance or the consciousness, and it becomes the reality. Clear vision plus belief is equal to manifestation. So the ultimate takes away from this chapter are: growth is your nature, desire is your guide, wealth is your tool, the universe is on your side, wealth is for full living, balance is the key, creation beats competition, supply is unlimited and is always available, and your thought creates your reality. More belief to install or the affirmation you can use from this chapter is that: number 1, I create my reality from an unlimited source and nothing can stop what is meant for me. Number 2, there is no limit to what I can create. So from today, install these beliefs to change your life. If this lesson changes your perspective, comment below as I choose expansion, and subscribe to my channel Magical Life for more powerful mindset shifts. So guys, this is chapter number 5 and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.